वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल वंस अगेन. बहुत टाइम लगा दिया बट फाइनली. Hey everybody, thank you so much for watching Broadsides. My name is Sakshi. Yes, my name is Sakshi and welcome you all to another video. Okay,
Broadsides of Sakshi. Hi everyone, this is Riya here. So first of all, happy Friendship Day to everyone on my behalf. So today I have something to do interesting in this lockdown phase. As we all know, it is a special occasion of Friendship Day. So I'm gonna do something interesting today with the help of Broadsides of Sakshi. Please don't forget to subscribe her, like her, and do follow her on Instagram too.
our fourth friend can't manage herself to be a part of this video, but koi na, we three are going to participate, and yeah, like finally let's go. So we have this 10 questions and we are gonna point out with this names we made और हम बताएंगे कि who's most likely to. So, here's our first question goes. Who's most likely to go for घर का खाना over junk food? घर का खाना over junk food is only one among us, which is okay. Which is clearly Renu, because I feel like she will go for घर का खाना over junk. Yeah.
Yes, Sakshi, you can do that. पता नहीं. Okay, I don't want to even explanation. Prefer घर का खाना over junk. घर का खाना मतलब homemade food. तो मुझे लगता है जिसको घर का खाना बहुत वाकई में बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है and will select homemade food rather than junk food is Shruti. Okay, so according to me, why it's Shruti? Because whenever we go out, she is like, no, I won't eat, I don't like this. So according to me, it's Shruti again.
So the next question is, who is most likely to get married first? I think हम तीनों का सेम जाने वाला है ये.
Who's most like, अब मतलब ऐसा कोई ऐसा में तो शादी की ऐसी कोई घाई नहीं है, but maybe I think most likely to yes, Riya would go and marry first, because she's not that gharelu kind of a girl. No one of us is gharelu, but she loves shadi season. I mean, yeah, she really looks more prettier than anybody when she is wearing traditional, and maybe like because she will get married first.
Something interesting. One of the interesting question which even I want to know what they'll answer to it. So, but according to me, it's Sakshi. I'm sorry, Sakshi. I think Sakshi is the one gonna marry first among us. Third, who is most likely to take more time to get ready? More time to get ready? पता नहीं. But ठीक है, श्रुति. But she's on time. Ready होने के लिए उसको तो time लगता है. But whenever we meet, she's on time for that. But I think ready होने के लिए उसको time लगता है because she is the only one in a group who is like with perfect hair, perfect face, patch up and all, and we are like ऐसा लगता है अभी सो के उठ के आए हैं हम. That's why
I think ये मैंने ऐसे लिखा हुआ है, जो मतलब पहले ऐसे लिखा हुआ था बट वो नहीं विजिबल था. So like this. I think I require so much of time to get this.
मतलब हम तीनों हैं, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है, but I think
one who's likely to get offended by jokes. Okay, I think it's Renu. who get offended by jokes. That's why I think twice or thrice to crack joke on her. मैं सोच
I think मतलब ऐसा हुआ है इसलिए I think
I think I'm confused in two names, which is mine and Renu. Mine and Renu, actually. What do you think if you know us? But I think it's me. I'm confused. So I'm taking these two names. Like, number 5 is who's most likely to laugh at serious situations. I am clearly taking her name. She will also make you laugh. I remember this day, I think, when we, initially been like friends to each other. हम पहली बार जब मिले थे and we were just attending this lecture, OC का lecture, and जब when she, I think one of I think between us, I think Shruti sung a song at that point, and that was so stupid, and that Balish type song, and she laughed, and because of her even I laughed. बट ये हो गया कि सर ने, और सीयर सर बहुत बहुत सीरियसली सिखा रहे थे, एंड आई एंड रिया जस्ट गॉट इन अवर सेफर साइड, एंड उन दोनों को सर ने चिल्लाया, एंड दे वर लाइक जस्ट अटेंड लेक्चर, यू आर नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग, एंड जस्ट
मैं हमेशा हंसती रहती हूँ and my laugh is very so I would like to take my name and partner in crime for doing this is Sakshi. Yes, we laugh on every situation. एक एक करके डांट किसी और को पड़ रही है या डांट हमको पड़ रही है, हम हंसते रहते हैं.
ऐसा सब करते हैं I think हम लोग में ऐसे हम कभी भी कुछ भी बातों पे हंस सकते हैं, किसी भी बात पे हंस सकते हैं, बहुत हंसते हैं.
Most likely to cancel plans.
You want me to answer?
Okay, so it's me again. And the one who mostly cancels the plan. It's me.
मुझसे ज़्यादा प्लान्स किसी ने कैंसिल नहीं किए. मेरा हमेशा का नाटक होता है.
The one who is most likely to cancel plans. Actually, if it is between three of us, it's clear cut. This girl has never, if she had ever said yes to a plan, she had never came. But if it is 4 of us, so then it's Shruti, clearly Shruti. But when if it comes to 3, तो मतलब yeah, Riya, you just most probably, not probably, you all the time cancel plans. If she wanted to come in, some other मतलब ऐसे पूरी कायनात उसे रोक लेती है to not to come to that plan and just stay away somewhere studying and doing his work, her work.
Yes, likely to come late in every place, every place. हमेशा late, हमेशा.
Again, it's me. I'm always late. And I know.
It's clearly her. I think there's no place she have reached earlier than us. Our 8th question is who's most likely to forget things easily? It's clearly I am not even a bit confused because मतलब गजनी को भी ना इससे ज़्यादा कुछ याद रहा होगा, but ये लड़की सब कुछ भूल जाती है, which is this collaborating one, Renu. Okay, so I have this incident. Actually we gave exams in our classes और हम like results लेने के लिए अपने parents के साथ like it was a PNT meeting over there, and she was sitting just next to me, and like the people who got like those students who got really good marks, like they've scored really nice, like 75% or 85%. So our sir were actually rewarding them by giving them some gifts, some cash. And this girl sitting beside me, she was like, "ये लड़की कौन है?"
और साक्षी का बर्थडे भी हो रही थी, इतनी बड़ी
लाइक रेवलेंट के यहाँ ये याद नहीं रखेंगे तो भी चल जाएगा. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी द वन हु फॉरगेट्स इज Shruti, and another name which I would like to take is Sakshi also. Sakshi, because हमारे क्लासेस में आई रिमेम्बर दिस सीन. हमारे क्लासेस में एग्जाम्स थे और हम सबको कार्ड दिया गया था, दैट कार्ड for which we used to get markings for our attendance, and at every exam Sakshi used to be the one who used to forget to get her attendance card, and she was like, "Oh shit, I forgot to get it. Oh shit." Like this was a regular thing. The question is, who's most likely to cry while watching movie? Depends on which type of movie they are watching. They are watching emotional, so according to me the most emotional person in our group is again Shruti.
The three of us, I think we are too emotional, but even so strong.
तो मुझे पता नहीं हमने साथ में पूरी मूवी देखी है, सो आज मैं अपना नाम ले
Number 10, and finally is who's most likely to use phone like for an entire day. I think it's me. Actually, three of us, actually full world, but I can use a phone entire day. Most who will not is clear, it's Renu. Renu can't just use her phone like for so long. She's not that phone addicted one. But मुझे
सो मैं इस्तेमाल करती हूँ बट श्रुति, आई थिंक उन तीनों में से किसी का नाम नहीं आएगा, श्रुति का नाम आएगा.
ये तो शायद मुझे लगता है सबका सेम ही होगा. अगेन श्रुति. तो very great time. We are our classes friends and हमने बहुत अच्छे पल साथ में गुजारे हैं. But according to me, the most memorable one is the farewell party which we had after our 12th. We had a farewell party. That was one of the most enjoyable thing I can say, which I can't forget. We were all dressed up very nicely, and yeah, if you talk personally, according to me, if I talk about Sakshi, okay, so we used to, while going for classes also, we used to go together sometimes because I used to be always late, so most probably not morning time, but while coming back to home we used to come together. So that was the most precious time where we used to talk to each other and say, like, you know, कल ऐसा हुआ, कल इसने ऐसा किया, कल ये इसने मेरे क्रश ने ऐसा किया, मेरे क्रश ने मुझे ऐसा देखा. So we were used to that, and most of the time it used to take like, we used to talk so much that it used to take 1 hour. We used to stand at a place and just talk. Secondly,
मेरे लिए तो मेमोरेबल सब है, बट आई रिमेंबर जब क्लासेस से छूटने के बाद वी यूज्ड टू स्टैंड एट द प्लेस, वहाँ पर इतनी बातें करते थे,
memorable thing that I would remember for life, and even I have that footage also with me. Whenever happened, we gave our exams, and actually we like wait for each other. हमारे एग्जाम हो जाने के बाद हम नीचे like एक दूसरे के लिए रुकते हैं. Last exam accounts का, and we were relaxing down, and I was actually doing a Snapchat video, and suddenly Riya started running, and she said कि sir आ रहे हैं, and she started running, and I didn't heard, and actually बाद में पता चला none of us heard her, but हम उसके पीछे भागने लग गए. हम पांचों के पांचों, even Deepika with us, were running. We were 5 of us running on a road जहाँ पे GCB का काम चल रहा है, जहाँ पे रास्ते टूटे हुए हैं. हम उन पे भाग रहे थे. Literally for like 1 minute we were running, and I love my 4 years so much. And this camera girl with us, been with us for like 1 year, Deepika. She used to, हमारे जितने भी चारों के photos हैं ना, like no selfies, ना, like someone is holding a camera and clicking our photos, is the only cameraman Deepika. We always